Hey everyone, we are now heading to Groot Constantia, South Africa's oldest wine estate. It's one of Cape Town's most historic and scenic spots, surrounded by beautiful vineyards and mountain views. We'll be exploring a bit around the estate to soak in its charm and peaceful atmosphere. Let's go check it out. We got off the bus and started walking down the steps, ready to explore. Groot Constantia, founded in 1685 by Simon van der Stel, instantly felt calm and inviting. Surrounded by lush greenery, open spaces, and those classic buildings that give the estate its timeless charm. It's the kind of place that makes you want to slow down, walk around, and just soak in the moment. As we strolled along the shaded paths lined with old oak trees, we soaked in the calm and peaceful surroundings. The vineyard stretched out gracefully in the distance, framed by gentle hills and the mountains beyond. Every corner of Groot Constantia felt timeless, full of history and charm, and simply picture perfect.
This is really inside the trees.
Yeah.
You can see all the way trees inside.
Yeah.
Wood or this outside is here.
Yeah.
And we are inside the tree.
You see all the way up.
Oh.
Just above the decks, the view was incredible. Everywhere we looked, the greenery, the historic estate buildings, and the peaceful surroundings stretched out beautifully before us, giving the whole place a timeless and calming feel. Next, we walked up the steps and crossed the estate road with vineyards on either side and Table Mountain rising majestically in the distance. The views were breathtaking and calm, fresh air made every step feel so refreshing. After exploring the estate, it was time for us to have lunch at Jonkershuis Restaurant. While we don't have video, it was a cozy moment to enjoy the peaceful surroundings, savor some local flavors, and even capture a quick group photo. A simple memory to remember amid the beautiful vineyards and historic estate buildings. We spent a little time outside the wine tasting area, taking photos and enjoying the surroundings. Then our guide called us in for our turn. Some of our group members sampled 5 different types of wines while we stuck to soft drinks. joining in the fun and capturing a few memorable moments. As we were heading back to the bus, we noticed two birds walking nearby. With Groot Constantia behind us, it's time to continue our adventure. Up next, we're heading to Table Mountain. Stay tuned for more breathtaking views.